me tell you about my friend Jake. A few years ago, Jake decided he wanted to invest. He had big dreams, financial freedom, early retirement, and maybe even a yacht. Because why not? But there was one tiny problem. Jake wasn't exactly rolling in cash. He was living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to save anything at all. Investing? That's for rich folks, he'd say, sipping his instant coffee instead of Starbucks. Well, fast forward to today, and Jake has built himself a solid investment portfolio without making crazy sacrifices. How? By using these 5 budget-friendly saving hacks that any investor, yes, even you, can use to grow wealth without feeling broke. Let's dive in. 1. The invisible money trick. Jake's first breakthrough came when he started treating savings like a secret tax, one that went to future rich him instead of the government. Instead of saving whatever was left at the end of the month, spoiler, nothing was ever left, he automated his savings. Every payday, a small chunk of his income went straight into his investment account before he could touch it. This is called paying yourself first. Even if it's just $20 per paycheck, over time, this money grows. Jake started with just $50 a month. Doesn't sound like much, he thought, but thanks to compound interest, his small contributions started stacking up like a tower of pancakes. And we all love pancakes. Hack. Set up an automatic transfer, just $20 or $50 per paycheck, into an investment account. Trust me, future you will send you a thank you card. 2. The roundup magic trick. Jake was also terrible at saving because he hated doing math. Then he discovered an app that rounds up every purchase and invests the spare change. For example, if he spent $4.75 on coffee, on rare treat-yourself days, the app rounded it up to $5 and invested that extra 25 cents. Sounds tiny, right? But all those quarters and dimes started piling up into real money. After a year, he had saved and invested over $300 without even noticing. That's a free investment account built from spare change. Hack. Use a roundup savings app like Acorns or Stash to invest tiny amounts without lifting a finger. The bye-bye wasted subscriptions game. One day, Jake looked at his bank statement and saw he was paying for a gym membership he hadn't used in months because his workouts mostly involved chasing his dog around. He was also paying for 3 different streaming services, a forgotten magazine subscription, and an old cloud storage plan he never used. When he added it all up, he was throwing away $80 every month. So he did what any financially savvy person would do. He canceled every subscription that didn't bring him real value. That money redirected straight into investments. Hack. Review your bank statement. Cancel subscriptions you don't use and invest that money instead. It's like finding free cash every month. 4. The lunch swap challenge. Jake used to eat out every day at work. A $12 lunch didn't seem like a big deal until he did the math. $12 a day into 5 days a week into 4 weeks a month is equal to $240. Ouch. So he made a deal with himself. Bring lunch from home 3 days a week and eat out only twice. That small shift saved him around $150 per month. And guess where that money went? Yup, straight into his investment account. And no, he didn't survive on sad, soggy sandwiches. He meal prepped delicious burrito bowls, pasta salads, and other easy meals that made his coworkers jealous. Hack. Cut down on eating out. Even a small change can free up extra cash for investments without making life miserable. 5. The side hustle for fun money trick. Jake always wanted to invest more but felt like he just didn't have extra money. So instead of squeezing his budget even tighter, he got creative. He started a small weekend side hustle, dog walking, which he loved anyway. Just 2 dogs per weekend earned him an extra $200 a month, which went straight into his investment portfolio. Now, that money is working for him instead of sitting in a low-interest savings account. Hack. Find a simple, fun side hustle, something that fits your schedule, and use it purely for investing. Think of it as bonus money for your future self. The takeaway: Jake didn't need a 6-figure salary or extreme sacrifice to start investing. He just made small, smart choices that added up over time. And guess what? You can do it too. Even if you start with just $20 a month, that money will grow. You don't need to be rich. You just need to be consistent. So, which of these hacks are you going to try first?